welcome to another devlog. I want to talk to you about a weird problem I'm having with contact points. So let's have a look what I'm talking about. So here's a little white column. Let's just run this up. And it's actually inside this other sphere, this other column, cube. And what we're seeing here is the outer cube is drawing these little white dots to tell you where the contact points are. So it's saying this is where the collision is with this other foreign object. Now if I move the cube over, you can see that the contact points are not where the two shapes are actually intersecting. It's actually almost like where the impact would have been in order for this shape to end up here. It's just slightly odd. And if I go to the object in question and I turn on the same script, so it's telling me where its contact points are, but in red, you see that just because of the time difference, the outer one in white is and the inner one in red are indicating exactly the same points. It's kind of weird. If I move it so it's slightly out of the cube, you can see that now we're right on the intersection where I would assume you would find it. So it's very odd. I don't really understand what's going on. And if I go to the cutter cube now, and I make this really small, let's make this 0.5, 0.5, 0.5. It's probably too small. So you can see that it's right on the edge. Let's move it into the middle. So still, even though these bits are sticking out the outside the edges, it's still as if it's coming through. That's sort of bizarre. I don't really understand this. And if I make that outer cube even smaller so it fits inside the inner one, what does it do then? So now the inner one is inside, mostly inside. Make it even smaller, 0.05, 0.05, 0.05, it's tiny. We're getting the points inside. Let's make the outer cube bigger. Let's make that 1, 1, 1. Turn off its renderer. See what's going on. So now the outer cube, what was the outer cube, is now telling us the points of contact like we'd expect. That's very weird. It's very kind of inconsistent. I don't really know what is going on here. Let's make that cube a little bit bigger so we can see it. So the red, remember the red is now what is the outer cube. It's now showing us those contact points. It's just very weird. It's just very inconsistent. It makes no sense to me. And why is it only 2 contact points? We've got 4 contact points. That's one surface. It's not even. You know, why isn't it contact point on every edge? So there we go. I don't understand contact points. Perhaps someone can explain it to me. So that's what I've been scratching my head about today. Yeah, I really don't know where I'm going with this now. So there we go. That's what I've been up to today. Thanks.